Hello YouTube. Today we're going to talk about alternative ways to prepare meals without resorting to expensive freeze-dried products. Anyway, what you see here on the table is ramen noodles, which is probably your best long-term noodle storage. Freeze-dried mixed vegetables flakes, which you can buy in bulk rather inexpensively on Amazon. Tomato powder with chicken bouillon, which comes in huge big containers. You can buy this in any grocery store. Sometimes you can get it in smaller containers, and when you get it in smaller containers, it's probably a little bit easier to use. And a little pack of freeze-dried beef that Trailtopia sells, which is pretty inexpensive. It's only a couple bucks, and it's quite a lot of beef, enough to make 2 meals with at least, or one if you just like lots of meat in it. Some salt and pepper from a local chicken restaurant, but you can pick up salt and pepper packets and various condiments at any fast food restaurant. They're perfect size for making a meal for camping and keeping low weight. Anyways, with what you see here, you know, you can pack 2 more of these, put this in a smaller container, and put this in a smaller container, or pre-mix them in Ziploc baggies, you know, just the right amounts, along with one of these, and you've got 3 meals, which you know, for that's an overnight trip, or maybe a day and a half, or 2 days, depending on, you know, what your eating habits are, you know, if you're just doing some camping. You know, and you got your little MSR tank with a BRS stove on here, which is what I use most of the time. Long handled spoon, which everybody should have one. And something to heat, boil water, and cook in, which this is a little GSI outdoor cup, stainless steel. Normally I use titanium, but I have this available. I don't want to spoil my titanium cup with stuff in it, because I use that for boiling water only. Anyway, that's the basic items. Basically, you'd heat it up, you know, put some water in the cup. Usually just enough to, you know, to boil with. And it looks like I forgot my lighter. 1 second. Anyway, you take your lighter, turn your fuel up. I got any fuel left in there. Yeah, it looks like I'm out of fuel. Used the last of it last night. Let me go grab a fuel tank. By the way, I highly recommend these little legs. They are the greatest. You can get these on from a guy on Facebook, and I think in another one of our videos we talk about them. 1 second, let me get another can. Okay, got a little bit bigger can here. first thing to do, get your ramen noodles, break them up. So easy to do. Mash them up good. Back it out. Dump them in your water. Take you a little bit of this. In there. You got some veggies. Ooh, it's blowing hard. Mix that up in there. Let's add a few more to that. Lots of veggies. Now, one thing you can do is you can put this in a bag, boil water, and let it sit. I find that this works a little better for the ramen noodles because they don't dehydrate very well unless they boil for a good few minutes. Just better to mix everything up. Take a little bit of your tomato stuff, stick it in there, mix that up, and give it a little bit of color and a little bit of flavor. Here. And then finally, take your meat, open it up. Take your oxygen absorber out. Just sprinkle a little bit of meat in there. Not a lot. That's probably about enough. Put that down in there. A bit of beef. Oops. Try not to do that. Waste it. Take the beef flavor. Flavor packet. Now this has a lot of salt in it, so when you use this you probably won't want to use the salt. You gotta make it taste meaty. Basically, we just have to boil this until the noodles get soft. Not much to it. Just stir it up. When this finally does start to boil, we'll turn it down a little bit and simmer it. Almost there to boil. Okay, let's turn it down. We'll just let that cook for a little bit. Do this for another 3 minutes. Okay, now let that sit for a little bit. Let that soak up some of that water. Whoops. Do that. Those noodles soak up that moisture. Soaks up that flavor. The veggies rehydrate. Anyway, basically, that's ramen noodles. I don't know if you can see that good. So soak up. It's basically ramen with veggies and beef, and just like you'd get if you like a noodle soup or something. If you went and bought a can of soup or something. It's really, really good. What you can do is you can add a little bit of seasoning. This is the Cajun Sparkle from Popeyes. This is excellent stuff. Gives it a bit of a Cajun taste. If you like a little spicy, you can put Tabasco in there. Or just eat it as it is. It's good. And that's all there is to it. Anyway, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'm not a chef, but I eat pretty good when I'm out in the woods. Anyway, thank you.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. You can also click on the bell icon to receive notifications when we upload new videos. If you have questions or suggestions for new videos, please leave a comment down below. You can also consider supporting us on Patreon or you can join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.